Hey Richard, no, no, not yet. I will begin at 9:15. I'll just give people a chance, of course, to stroll in, and I'll also wait for John to finish in the private Discord room, so also the private Discord room members can listen to me, so we won't talk over each other. All right, guys. Shall we get started? Good morning, guys. Welcome to another stream. Welcome to another episode, guys, in the stock market. Remember, today is the Free Friday stream. That means I will do a pre-market game plan live. You will be able to see my charts, guys. You can ask questions, of course. If you want have any questions with regards to charts, you can see me go over them live, so make sure to click those links that I posted. Don't forget to check out also the Free Friday recap. That's the video. I did the recap video on my Lizzie trade yesterday. It was a losing trade. But again, what can you do? It was the plan. I followed the plan, stopped out accordingly. And yeah, for details, check out that video. I also posted that link in the chat, in the YouTube chat, in the public Discord room, and for the private Discord room members as well. Um, as always, before we get started, I want to ask everyone to hit that like button. Hopefully, again, we can reach over 200 likes on the channel, guys. Come on, we are watching with nearly 500 people. Or are you bots? Don't tell me you guys are bots. Okay. Um, and of course, guys, if you want to try out the private Discord room for a week for just $10, you can do so with the link precisiondaytrading.com. With that, you will have access to the main trading room, to the live version of the scanner, the live screen share with the live commentary, but also the live alerts that we post in there. So that's $10 for a week if you want to try out the private Discord room. The only thing that you won't have access to is the educational part of our room, guys. If you want to have access to that, again, same link, precisiondaytrading.com, but it will be 39 bucks and 99 cents a month for that. So let's see what we got on our plate for today, guys. Bum, 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 bum. Let's start with HGSH. Looking at this one here, where is the thing? So we had here this pop towards 488 and a big drop already under that VWAP. But so far we have this consolidation here around that VWAP previously, around that 350. We also have, if we look here at the daily chart, the break of this 220 of the 52-week highs. So potentially we may see a long setup in this one. It's Friday, by the way. Happy Friday. The thing I want to see is, you can see this creep up here of that support, but I want to see another washout out of the gate towards this 350 and then reclaim. Maybe VWAP can drop down a bit as well, and might have that nice VWAP reclaim, and then the push for maybe even $5. These whole half-dollar marks can act as the psychological level, so they can act as a magnet. They can pull or push the price away. So that's the idea for HGSH. Looking at it from a short perspective, um, depends. If we test 450s out of the gate, on a fast push, then maybe yes, I'll be looking for a short. But I'm not really happy about this move here already in the pre-market. So that takes away a bit the attractiveness for a short. PPSI. Let's see. Okay, we have this pop here, 527s. Looking at the daily chart, guys, we can see, okay, this one can move nicely. It may even hold up for a second day. But I am not really interested in this one for a long, to be honest. Even though, let's see here, let's call this level 543s. Okay, so if we get a pop here towards maybe 550s, that's this level here on the daily chart. um, you know that may act as resistance, but depending on how this will move, if we get that fast pop towards that level out of the gate, or maybe even higher, I'll be looking for a short on PPSI. Otherwise, I'm just gonna watch it. I'm not really too happy about it for a long. So we will see on PPSI. Open bias, to be honest. I was watching SDRO, but yeah, low volume. Not even 200K here in the pre-market. Very nice breakout though on the daily chart, but again, that's low volume for me. Can't do much with that. Yeah, this is a sub $2. Not really happy about that. 158's dropped towards 118s. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. For today's watch list, I don't have much on watch. If you guys have any tickers you want me to go over, just let me know. Hey, Jessica, good morning. For a long, yeah, a potential long in HGSH, if that sets up. So that is the only one that could be setting up for a potential long. Thank you, GoPro. Let's make some cash money. Well, let's wait for those setups and again, be patient. Um, you guys are quiet. No, Primo. I'm just gonna let that run, American Airlines, as I have a swing in it. But intraday, I would say, no, could be, but not really interested in that because if we look at the daily chart, then it's setting up, still for that breakout mode. I got a $20 target on it. Already peeled some off in the 1630s and the push here in the pre-market in the 1680s. But yeah, $3 away from the overall target on American Airlines. STPK, yeah, for sure. STPK. STPK for a long setup. Right now, if I look here at this action, yeah, we broke over the 52-week highs here, 1321s in the pre-market highs. Up here, I would not be comfortable chasing it for on the long side. STPK. Is this an IPO? A recent IPO? It looks like it. Yeah, it's a recent IPO. Okay. If you want to, yeah, with the breakout already and this movement here, I'm not really comfortable on taking that long. I don't see a long setup for me. What else? Doku, D-O-C-U, Sudoku, D-O-C-U for short. Let's have a look here. If you look at the daily chart on that Doku, you can see post-market yesterday. Looks like they had earnings as well. We are testing this level here on the daily chart, and I don't see a short setup on that unless we get that fast move out of the gate towards 250s. We break that and we start to run higher, and then you might see some profit taking, but this is not ideal for profit taking. I would say, people will be looking to add along on that breakout, so this might run higher, this DOCU. NNDM, let's have a look. I'll add this Doku, by the way, for on my watch list. Thank you for bringing that up here. NNDM. Let's have a look. NNDM. NDM. What are you looking for? Daily chart looking strong. Well, yeah, daily chart looking strong. It's starting to break out for sure. We have here this drop under that VWAP. Um, yeah, but we'll see. If you have another washout on NNDM and hold, ideally it holds this 750, reclaims that VWAP, and then starts to set up for a long for that potential, you know, this breakout here on the daily chart towards 8 and further, then maybe yes. PPSI, already went over that one. Higher the better for a short. Laser. Let's have a look here. 2 minutes left here before the opening bell, guys. Laser. Laser IPO as well. No. We'll keep an eye on that one. Starts to move nicely here. 2960s on laser. Major laser. Okay, guys. All right, guys, let's get prepared. Slowly and steady, we are approaching the opening bell of the final day of the trading week, guys. I hope you all had a wonderful, wonderful week. Again, I'm gonna wish you all good luck, a blessed day ahead. Be safe, be patient, wait for those setups as always, guys. And don't forget, if you feel that FOMO feeling creeping up, slap yourself on the wrist, go wash your hands, and come back refreshed. And if you guys don't have any more questions with 50 seconds to go for the opening bell, guys, I'm gonna stop the stream with the charts, and you guys will be able to hear me in the regular channels such as the public Discord room, the private Discord room, or the YouTube with our scanner. Don't forget, if you want to try it out for a week, use the link precision@daytrading.com. That's $10 for 1 week, guys. Let's look at quickly NKLA. Yeah. No, I don't see it. Still looks very, very dangerous here, and it might drop. Okay, guys.